Hi guys, in front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and let me show you how to check total screen time. First of all, open settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls. And here you've got some general statistics. If you'll tap on it again, you can get a bit more knowledge. So just go back in time to see time spent on particular days on your device. You can also choose one app only to see time spent on this particular app, and you can also see daily or hourly statistics here for your app. And here you can enroll notifications received also or timed opened. So this is it, and this is how you can detect your time spent on phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.